Well, hello everyone. Another day, another video, another adventure in Wales, and another time that I can't pronounce where on earth we are. Mark?
We've walked past the sign, so I can't remember now. I didn't swear there.
Fecking somewhere. No idea where we are. There we are. I'll show you. Again, we are in search of more secret waterfalls, hidden gems that aren't necessarily on the advertised tourist path.
I believe we're going to be going through rivers, scaling a rock face.
I've no idea. I just trust this guy. I just come along for the adventure and I bring my camera. Serious camera setup today as well, which is why I'm vlogging on my phone. Mark's got a Peak Design clip. We're now Peak Design twins. They could drop us a sponsorship or something.
Why not?
No chance. I haven't heard of them sponsoring anyone, but today's adventure has us boots off crossing a river. My little cold feet, my boots, but I made it. It's a really weird sense of massive achievement, and all I did was take my shoes off and cross the river, but I feel accomplished. River crossing, take two. And no, it's not the way back. Oh. You see, the thing is, there's two things I don't like. Mark's just got in. I don't like cold feet, cold water, and I don't like sharp rocks. And unfortunately, for today's adventure, I get both. Ow! Oh, it feels so much better watching you do it. Are your feet cold?
I think it was a little bit nippy. Why am I that colour in yours?
Oh, I don't know. So,
Nearly there.
we've crossed the river twice without our boots and shimmied along a very, very suspicious looking sort of cliff edge, loose moment. But I've just got the first glimpse of the waterfall we've been searching for. Take a look. Is a master waterfall finder. This is so special. I mean, we're getting sprayed with the waterfall. There's that much water coming down. So Mark Piccard, normally Mr. Safety, is currently shimmying his way across the top of the low waterfall to get a better shot of the main fall. That man, I don't know what's going on. This is the glamorous side to the wonderful photography of Marc Piccard. Risking life, limb and equipment for the shot. So it's almost back at the car. End of, I suppose, part one of this multi-adventure trip.
Aye.
Where to next? Keep watching.
Oh, go on, or you could go on. Go on. I thought it was like a surprise.
I was going to leave it as a cliffhanger, but go on. Where are we going, Mark?
We're going to.
Okay, everyone, car vlog time. I suppose it's inevitable when we're going on a big journey. Quite the road trip, actually. I drove down to Mark's this morning, and then we drove south through and into the Brecon beacons, in and out, and now this guy is driving us to the Pembrokeshire Coast, which I only really know about from a TV show that had been on British TV recently about some murderer that was serial killing on the Pembrokeshire Coast. So look after me, Mark.
Where do you think I'm taking?